Kadungganan hindi lang siya kaugalingon, kundi isang pungsod Pilipinas. Ang gindala sa Negrense singer nga si Jenny Kusay, sang inianangin pinakauna nga Filipino nga nakakanta sa Great Wall of China sang October sa nagligan nga tuig 2023. Iniyagin patigayon sa isa ka feng shui exhibit nga ginpasakupan sa mga delegasyon nagikan sa kapinapulo ka mga pungsod. Ang tumalagsahon nga eksperyensya ni Jenny, tutukan ta sang spotlight.
Hi there mga kapuso! Welcome back. You're still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. This beautiful and wonderful Tuesday morning mga kapuso, mga kaupod naton ang isa kabugal gikan sa La Carlota City kung patag na gani isang kinantahan ng pag-istoryahan. Subong naman niya, isa siya ka-negosyante matapos ng isa ka successful overseas Filipino worker. Kag balik siya sa Bacolod City, diri sa Barangay Villamonte, agad tutukan ng iyang negosyo. At besides, syempre, ang iya passion for singing, nagapadayon. With us this morning is the famous Miss Jenny Kusay. Hi, good morning.
Mayong aga kapuso,
Yes.
mga kapuso.
Katahom sa kay Miss Jenny, ginapatahom higit ang ating Tuesday. How are you? Kamusta ang sitwasyon? Kamusta ang pakabuhi? How's life?
Excellent.
Yes. Let's talk about your life diri sa Bacolod City sa Negros Occidental. Antes ikaw nangin OFW. Pati namon biretera kagid so sa back-to-back barangay competitions before.
Yes, I started sa sa mga competition, but before that, mga around 3 or 4 nag-started ko sa singing passion ko. Pero nag-start ko sa mga church and school. Sa
Okay.
school.
Sa ara ka na sa abroad, paano mo ginbalancing imong career at the same time ang imong passion? Syempre lain naman to. You went there for different reason, for different cause. Pagkatapos syempre saging panuktok yang imo abilidad sa pagkanta. Siguro doon sa to yung mga Pinoy ari kantahi kami bilanay. Paano mo ginbalance ang unay mo career and passion?
I think it's also a bit of luck. Kay I had an opportunity to work as a hotelier. I graduated BS Hospitality Management.
Okay.
And then I was a hotelier in the morning, and then I was able to sing in the same company at night.
Ma'am, let's talk about your exposure bilang labing-unang Filipina nga nagkanta sa The Great Wall of China. How was it like? Kamusta experience?
When I was in the Great Wall already. So, syempre, amo gini ang pinaka-famous ko yung reaction, it's a dream come true, kid. So, it started in dreams, tapos na may a little bit of luck and hard
Yes.
work. Of course, we cannot just rely on luck, right? We have to do the hard work to achieve our dreams.
Who was that master who, saw your potential and nakitaan na kaniya sang talento? Bagay ni si Jenny, pang Great Wall ni ang iya abilidad.
So I met this master sa workplace man in the hotel when I was singing. This famous master, Master Yun Longzi of Lotus on Water, Singapore. Thank you very much for the great opportunity that you have given me since the time we met. Yes, at first though, medyo duwa ni sila nga Filipina, makanta Chinese song. Sa prestigious event. It's a very luxurious event from the master. When he throws an event, it should be grand.
Yes. Great
Yeah,
wall.
So medyo duwa-duwa sila kay Filipina. Even myself, I asked the master also nga, why me? Why not look for a Chinese singer to sing the song? So they can actually, I believe in you.
May bit-bit ka, gamay lang, pabati ang aton mga kapuso para mangin lucky and prosperous sa among 2024. Pinaagi sa mga golden voice. Pwede?
Here we go. I'm going to do my best.
Yes, go ahead.
吉祥富贵运龙子，吉祥富贵水上河，富贵华丽梦成真，美在身在富贵人。因为龙继父水上藏美河，云中龙水上河。
Sounds like a lullaby for me. Grabe! Congratulations, we're so proud of you. Ano
Thank
po
you.
nun sa siningakanta?
So in that segment, it says that brings your dreams to reality. Prosperity flows to you and flows to me. So it's like, exchange of energy.
Exchange of energy. Yes. Go ahead. Ano mensahe ni Jenny sa aton mga kapuso ilabi na gid sa mga OFWs no nga may ara side hustle pagkatapos at the same time sa mga kapuso naton nga mga pamatanon nga gusto man mangin performer abroad, gusto mangin singer kada mo sang opportunity left and right and conquer the world kaangay sa ginobra mo sa Great Wall of China. Go ahead, ma'am.
Keep dreaming. So dreaming paired with hard work and don't let anyone stop you on striving to become who you want to be.
There you have it mga kapuso, the beautiful, the highly ecstatic, and the ever-talented Miss Jenny of La Carlota City. Happy New Year!
Thank you. Happy New Gong Xi Fa Chai. So that's how we say in Chinese.